In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate workdays between two dates in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains your date columns. Make sure you can clearly see the start date and end date you want to work with, because the formula will use those two values to calculate the number of working days between them. This is especially useful when you're tracking project timelines, estimating turnaround times, or measuring how long a task should take without counting weekends. Once your sheet is open, click the cell where you want the workday count to appear. This should be the result cell, meaning the place where Smartsheet will display the total number of business days between your two selected dates. It helps to choose a cell in the same row as your dates so the formula stays organized and easy to understand later. Now type the Networkdays formula into that cell. This formula is designed to count only working days, which typically means Monday through Friday. As you enter the formula, you'll begin by referencing the start date first and then the end date. The order matters, so make sure the earlier date is selected as the starting point whenever possible. Next, select the start date cell. This tells Smartsheet where the calculation begins. After that, select the end date cell so the formula knows where the date range ends. Together, these two references allow Smartsheet to calculate how many workdays fall within that period. If you need to exclude holidays, you can add those as well. This is a helpful option when you want a more accurate result, especially for business scheduling. Including holidays prevents Smartsheet from counting those dates as working days, which can make your timeline calculations much more realistic. If your team already tracks holiday dates in a separate range, you can reference that in the formula. When everything is entered, press enter. Smartsheet will calculate the result and display the total number of working days in the cell you selected. Take a moment to confirm that the number looks correct. A quick review can help you catch things like reversed dates, missing holiday references, or incorrect cell selections. And that's it. With the Networkdays formula, you can quickly and reliably calculate business days in Smartsheet, making your schedules and reports much easier to manage.